This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The AI boom is no longer just about software and prompts. It is becoming a physical and geopolitical struggle over the very components that make intelligence possible. We are seeing the first real bill for the AI era arrive in the consumer market. Apple is hiking prices across its MacBook and iPad lines. Tim Cook admits that soaring memory costs have become unsustainable. This is not a random price jump. It is a direct result of AI data centers vacuuming up high-end memory chips. Micron Technology's latest earnings confirm that this demand is structural, not speculative. IBM just unveiled a nanostack architecture that packs 100 billion transistors onto a chip the size of a fingernail. This sub-nanometer approach could boost performance by 50% and drastically cut energy use. It is a necessary leap to keep Moore's law alive as we hit the physical limits of silicon. Better hardware is useless if you cannot access the models. The geopolitical stakes just spiked after the US government disabled Anthropic's newest models for non-Americans. It is a perfect catalyst for Mistral. The French company is aggressively pitching AI sovereignty, arguing that Europe cannot afford to leave the keys to its intelligence with a foreign provider, but the battle for model dominance is getting dirty. Anthropic recently accused Alibaba of a massive distillation campaign. They claim Alibaba used 25,000 fraudulent accounts to extract the capabilities of Claude through nearly 29 million exchanges. As the models mature, the way we build with them is shifting. OpenAI just updated GPT 5.5 instant to better infer user intent and the workflow. Codeplane is championing spec-driven development. They argue that in an era of cheap code, the implementation is disposable and only the specification. Figma is moving in a similar direction. Dylan Field is introducing code on the canvas to merge design and production. The goal is to stop the tunnel vision of AI coding and return to a broader, more collaborative design process. We are moving from a world of prompt engineering to a world of architectural intent. All this structural volatility eventually hits the balance sheets. Python recently plummeted to $59,175 before a shaky recovery. We are seeing an unusual tightening of the link between BTC and Strategy Incorporated's STRC stock. The correlation has climbed to 0.70. This suggests that the market is treating these assets. With a hawkish FED and thinning summer liquidity, the cushion is gone. Every move in the chip market or a new export ban now ripples directly into the crypto portfolios of the world's largest holders. Today, we have tracked a clear line from the cost of a stick of RAM to the borders of national security, whether it is Apple raising prices or the US blocking models. The abstract cloud is becoming a physical territory. The takeaway is that AI is no longer just a tool for productivity. It is a new layer of global infrastructure where hardware density and regulatory sovereignty. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.